Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable posts email notifications in X. If you want to receive updates and notifications about X's latest posts delivered straight to your email inbox, you've come to the right place. Follow these simple steps to customize your notification settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once launched, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for and tap on Email Notifications. By selecting this option, you can manage the email notifications sent by X. Step 7. Finally, enable Posts emailed to you. This action will ensure that you receive email notifications containing X's latest posts. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled Posts email notifications in X, allowing you to stay up to date with X's latest posts and updates. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy staying connected with X's latest posts through email notifications.